Welcome to Sterling Deluxe. My name is Mr. Urge and this is going to be a stock market video. So if you are not interested into stock market videos, guys, then look forward to my next video, guys. So, but of course, my friends, I will also make a YouTube comment picker, Steam key giveaway, so random YouTube comment picker. I'm checking one of my latest videos. It's 33 comments, so I'm going to check one of those. In the middle, at the end of this video, we will see, guys. And then I'm also coming back to when is the next Steam sale? When is the next Steam sale happening? In 16 days and 20 hours. So just to keep you posted, my friends. And then I also want to, a little bit publicity in my own name. I want to push out here my little new stream, the Streaming Deluxe Reddit community I just created more or less yesterday. Today I was upping it a little bit. Yesterday I created it, guys. There you find all the information about my Steam key giveaway. You can find, for example, a link to the explanation video how this all works on my channel, and then all of those keys you can win, and a little general condition. So guys, I was adding like 10-15 new keys there, 10-15 new keys, so please check it out. It's amazing. I have a lot of nice new keys there, and I'm uploading also my videos here. Guys, let's go to the stock market video. It starts here. Bam bam bam. So Nasdaq Composite. Oh my god, I would say we're still fine. We're not through this which line is it? Is the 50 day average line or the 200? Probably it's the 50 average day average line. So don't see it now. All right. Ah yeah, it's the 50. All right, so that's the Nasdaq. So I mean, since the pandemic hit the world, here in end of March 2020 last year, I mean, you have seen this parabolic growth of the Nasdaq. I mean, that's also kind of crazy, but yeah, we're not talking about the Nasdaq, but I just want to put things into perspective. So So this is by the way also no financial advice. I'm just a YouTuber. Make up your own mind, buy what you want, I buy what I want. So that's always very important. So I think we might maybe get to the end of this little correction. So let's hope so, because my portfolio lost a lot of money. So I'm hoping to get this money back, of course, in the future. And therefore, let's look a little bit at the gaming company. So I'm not invested in Nintendo, and you can see here actually Nintendo coming from 2015 had a massive run, but also in 2018 Nintendo got also crashed hardly I think in December 2018, or even in February already. And then also at the height of the pandemic, you can see here Nintendo in December 2020 at the height. So, and since then, guys, it's down back again to the heights of 2018. So is it now for me interesting to purchase Nintendo? I have to admit, Nintendo gets more interesting. The question is only, I don't know if I really like the company Nintendo. That's always my big problem, but they start to get a little bit more interesting. But I could even imagine that we will see maybe another leg down. And why wouldn't we see the $36? This is OTC here in dollars. So why wouldn't we see this $36 or the 49, at least the $50? I cannot explain myself why we wouldn't, guys. So let's jump to Activision. Oh my god, yeah, I'm invested in Activision. I already made several videos about this. So Activision, you know what's going on with Bobby Kotick and all of this stuff. You know the story, guys. So Activision, I mean, we all love Call of Duty, or at least I love it. Oh my god, you see where we are? 2017, 2019. I was buying here at this back in the days. I was buying here, and then I was selling more or less here, half of my position. And since then, of course, I also lost a lot of money on my position from there. But I'm still up. Guys. If Activision is really now dropping to the 50s, and then maybe even to the 45, then that's for me a massive buy opportunity. Guys, I will get in. I mean, this chart over the long term, that's a beautiful chart, I would say. So I still believe in Activision as one of the biggest gaming companies in the world, or at least in the US. Then ZNGA, I'm also invested in ZNGA. You see, I have a lot of gaming stocks. I have a lot of skin in the game. But of course, as I said, it's no advice here. So it might be even an conflict of interest in this regard. No, guys, I'm just buying what I want, and I let you participate in my idea. So ZNGA, look where we are here, 2019. So I would say here's a very nice resistance consolidation line. So therefore, we were also getting 5.89% again back on Friday. So this is pretty impressive. Of course, can it fall like to the $4.46? Can Zynga fall to $4.46? Yes, of course they can. So that's like 50% even more downward trend. This can all happen, but it can also just simply stop here and go up, go back up. So I mean, Zynga is a great company for mobile games, guys. Look at this chart. Look at this chart. I mean, this chart looks impressive. I really like it. So look at this. So it's a very nice, clean chart. Yeah, what happened here was the cyberpunk, the cyberpunk hype was what happened there. Was this for sure happening? Yes, this was inevitable happening. So I was actually expecting here to stop around about here. So therefore I was starting to buy more or less at this point. So therefore I'm also here. I'm invested. So I started buying here. So I thought like, yeah, that's a massive drop. They will come back. Well, what did we see? We saw like 50% even less of the stock, and since then we have a very pretty consolidation, my friend. So this looks very good. I mean, if we now drop through this, of course, then I'm also starting to get worried, but for now I'm kind of happy with this. So it's maybe also a stock where I might add up a little bit on my position. And then another stock, oh, that's really disappointing. So I'm also invested in Ubisoft, guys. This is also one of the more disappointing stocks at the moment. It's a French company. Yeah, I really thought like Ubisoft would get things together around about here. So this was definitely my look here, I can actually paint something here. Yeah, I thought round about here we would get our business together, but Ubisoft decided to completely drop through it. So I don't understand. I love Riders Republic. Far Cry 6 is also decent, and maybe I heard they come back to Steam, so there's a lot of potential back in Ubisoft. Yeah, maybe I'm definitely, or not maybe, I'm waiting now to add up on this position that I'm planning, because in the long term I'm definitely bullish on video games companies in general. I mean, you know me, I'm a hardcore collector in this sense. So if we would drop to $30, 30 euros, or if we would drop even further, so this is for me buying signals, guys. And then we have Electronic Arts. I don't think that I want to own Electronic Arts, so I'm not interested to buying Electronic Arts. I don't own it yet, and I mean, it's okayish, the chart, but I could imagine that we drop even here with Electronic Arts also a little bit lower. And then Take-Two Interactive, so that's still a chart that looks pretty amazing, guys. It's still a pretty good chart, so wherever you want to put this line, it doesn't matter. I mean you have to start getting a feeling for charts in general. So, but I have to say that that's a decent chart. So if we drop through here, of course, more or less around this. So let's say it's definitely possible we drop to the $130, but will it happen? I can't tell you. So I'm a bit reluctant now to add up on my position on Take-Two, to be honest. So I'm much more willing to wait here a little bit, and I'm already have a decent position. So if it goes higher, then I'm fine with my position I have at the moment. If it drops here, then of course to 130, then it's also time for me to add up before GTA 6 comes out, guys. GTA 6. So alright, so please check out my Stream Deluxe page. Give me maybe one or another upvote. This would be great. So only 15 members yet, but I hope to see more of you guys there. You get here the whole list of my Steam keys, of course, and then yeah, the Steam sale, and yeah, let's choose the winner. That's the reason you're here, probably. Haha, just kidding. So Binary Flake, hello my friend Binary Flake, you won one of those Steam keys here. guys, one of those Steam keys by now, Flake, you can choose, for example, if you like to have Gone Home, if you like to have Iconoclast, Murderous Pursuits, Moon Hunters, Lovely Panadine. If you want to have one of those Steam keys, my friend, you have to write me an email to gamingwithmrorange@gmail.com. But also make sure to join my Steam key and my Streaming Deluxe community page. Oh my god, so improvising non-unedited videos, you know the story. It's not so easy, but I spoke very fast today, therefore we are done now in more or less 10 minutes. So thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.